Hello, and welcome to Diecast Graveyard Super Huge Ginormous Build-Off. Welcome to everybody here. This build is going to be absolutely incredible, and we got a lot of great prizes that we'll be giving away for this build. Now let's go ahead and go over the rules. There will be approximately 5 builds, and they will be spaced out over some months. 2 months per build. Turn in your photos on the due date, no sooner. You'll have approximately 5 days after the due date to turn your photos in. But don't turn them in any sooner because, like I said, I get inundated with emails and I want to make sure that you're represented properly. You can use any 1/64 scale casting, HotWheels, Matchbox, Greenlight, Jada, doesn't matter. You must participate in all the builds. Points will be awarded as you see on the screen. First place 10 points, second place 9 points, etc., all the way down to 10. Now what's really cool about this is if you don't do well in the very first build, you may come back and win the second build. All the points will be cumulative. So you need to participate in all these builds in order for you to be able to do well and win some fantastic prizes. The recap video will determine the winner of each segment, voted on by you, the fans. Now, in the event there's a tie in points, I will be the tiebreaker. So if there's a tie for 5th and 6th, whichever one I pick is going to get the points for 5th place. So that's how that's going to work. And it's going to be really cool. Now, again, obviously, if you have any questions, just please put them in the comments and I'll state that again. But this is going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of prizes awarded, and the first 10 places will win something. We'll be giving away things like a paint booth. We'll also be giving away things like airbrush compressors from our friends at Spray Gunner. This is going to be a great build, guys, and I want you to participate. We'll also be giving away some really cool airbrushes and some paints, etc. This is going to be great. You need to do this. Now, the first build is due the 15th of December. I did announce the 15th of November before, and I apologize to everyone who rushed to get their build done. But I wanted to make sure that it was enough time for everyone. Now, if you've already sent your picture in, please send it again on the 15th of December, please, to make sure that I get your photo posted. All right, I really, truly do appreciate that. Doesn't matter where you live as far as the country, okay? Please participate. Now, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments. This is going to be a super great build. And also, put your name in the comments too if you intend on building, so I can kind of keep track of what's going on. Hey, who knows? We may offer prizes for more than 10 places if we get enough participation. And of course, like and subscribe to the channel, and this is going to be fantastic. And more words, announcements, etc. will be coming out as we do this. This is going to be super huge, folks. So let's get your build off on and let's do this. This is going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to hearing from you. This is Paul from Diecast Graveyard. Thank you so much, and cheers. Now here's the update portion. If you've already sent in your photograph, please send it in again. And if you have a logo, send that separately so I can get that lined up with your picture and give you a really good representation of what you're submitting. Now, with that being said, okay, only send one good picture, all right? I don't need 10 because I'm not going to use them. But send me a really, really good picture and send me your logo separately. If you don't have a logo, let me know, and we'll go from there. But please get your shot submitted by the 15th of December. Now, you've got a few extra days after the 15th. I'll be putting together the recap video, all right? So once we do that, then I will also announce on the recap video what the next theme is going to be and when it's due, all right? So I look forward to your submissions. We're going to have a lot of fun. Now, I said before that you have to participate in all the builds. it's behoove you to do that because you're going to accumulate more points. If you don't participate in every build, then you're just robbing yourself of points that you could accumulate for the grand total at the end of the build. So please participate in all the builds. Again, there's going to be 5, and I'm going to tell you ahead of time, the 5th build is going to be an absolute booger. But you know what? It's going to be challenging, and I know you're up to it. Happy holidays to you and your family, whatever you celebrate. Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Festivus, whatever, okay? Whatever you, and even if you don't participate in the holidays, may the good Lord watch over all of you and protect you and your family. Thank you so much, and cheers.